here comes Chesney. Fabulous job, Abby Schmabby.
Oh no.
What?
That's quite the outfit she's got on.
I was just telling her that your daughter Megan used to skate.
My hair's freezing. Okay, I'm hoping you're getting some good shots because.
Yep. Smile, Donna. How are you enjoying this?
Woohoo!
Nice and toasty warm?
Yeah.
We got a good audience here. Smile. All right.
Smile, Stephanie.
I'd rather not.
And our MC/Zamboni man, Mike, over there. Doing an awesome job, making sure the ice is just right.
Huh?
I think she's cold.
I don't think she's cold.
And when did they have 5th grade in middle schools? Some schools?
Yeah, a lot of schools too.
Ours is no, wait, ours is elementary school.
Yeah, Stephanie.
I was too short. I don't really remember most things when I'm short. I'm so short, but I still remember most things. So.
Look at that skirt.
I mean, Stephanie, our school, our middle school only went to 6 to 8.
Yeah, I know. I said okay.
Oh,
Look. Fucking cover!
Shouldn't they be south?
No, gooses go south.
No, they should be south too.
Well, then they better get moving.
Gooses don't really go south. They go if there's water open.
Aren't you going to go, Chesney?
Yeah, swans.
for Abby. It's
There must be open water on the river.